Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time, which is at the top. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, turn off all of those switchers right here. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date by swiping, day, month, and a year. Tap on OK. The same with the time, just by swiping and tap on OK. Here the time zone, tap on select time zone, tap on region, and here you've got the time zone. So find yours and tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Alright, here we've got also the dual clock. We can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher here. And basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, which is set here, and the second one from any other place in the world of your choice. Moreover, at the top we've got the time format, so we can change the 24-hour one, which is currently applied, to 12-hour format just by turning off this option. So this is how it works. And this is also the whole manual customization of date and time. You can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switches right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.